Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Shomin Nath's YouTube channel. If you are planning to study abroad, then Germany is the best place for you. You can ask me why. Because there are many countries, like earlier the preferences were like USA, Australia, New Zealand, etc. But there is lots of racist activities which recently, as well as in UK, as well as in USA, the visa procedures will become more complicated. As a result, what happened? The students are not getting proper entry as well as work permit over there to be at their own cost. So if you want to earn a free as well as staying over there and scholarships for higher studies, then definitely Germany is the best place for you. Now, let me explain why. But before that, I would like to request you please do subscribe Shamanath YouTube channel for right information and right time. There are many students who asked me to do this video because they really want to go to abroad and study over there. So here is your request has been fulfilled. So let's move forward. Why Germany? You can ask simply, what does a student look for when choosing a destination for higher education? The answer is simple and common for all. Everyone looks for the credibility of the course. So, institutions as well as the universities, accommodation, affordable cost of living, safety, and policies to make students feel at home. So, feel at home, like home feeling, that is very, very important. This is what Germany makes and takes care of like no other country. Germany has been playing a significant role in the shaping the careers of the students who aspire to have a secure and successful career. There are more than 380 higher education institutions in Germany, which is the highest number of universities in a country. And these institutes are offering more than 20,000 courses across various domains at different study levels all across the country. Most of the universities are situated at the cross section of the industrial area that helps students find work during their studying years. If they have the residential permit, definitely it is much more easier for them to get the residential permit in Germany. Now, not just the low cost of living, but education is also very economical in Germany because of the student scholarships and state funding. So you can find out that lots of scholarships and other free admissions were there. In this regard, if you ask me, I will provide you the websites and links, specifically those institutions and universities are offering these courses, different science, technology, management, as well as other social sciences, etc. So all the courses, liberal arts, etc. So these universities provide some of the best and the most valued international degree to students who are looking for an edge in the terms of higher studies. So there is no denying fact that Germany is one of the best country, one of the world's renowned country, and it is known for its science and technology as well as art as well as management skills, every area. So you take name one and they are the best in that. So with this I come to an end, but before, I'd like to tell you, if you're really interested to learn more about it, you can just go to the inbox and you can mail me. If you're really interested, I'll provide you the links and whatever help is required in this. So before I conclude, please do subscribe Shomin Nath YouTube channel because I need your support. The channel is comparatively new. I need your support and blessings. Thank you very much.